Cheers. Oh yeah, I got some bacon to put in this skillet. The peppers I had yesterday from here. Try to get the tortillas roasted. That might work.
Well, I'm gonna let you do it. This is ready for
Oh, but you can go ahead and do that like an appetizer while I work on this. If you want it. This is.
There's the raw chicken. He's putting honey on it.
We have two. A slice of orange on top of that with some peppers in it.
Big baby food now, don't we?
He's got enough white color in him. He could be.
He's a mix.
He could be mixed with a wild
There's some
bunch.
corn.
Black one is really nice.
Whole setup.
Yeah, down there on the barn. They kind of hang around by the barn.
It's all important. Music in the background's helping.
Take this stool out, dude.
This is a grilling gourmet. You're all shadowed.
T-shirt and his bag. He's going for a test, and I have to pay $20 for the license.
Some booties.
So he's
Well, you know, it's kind of things.
You have orange glow around you because of the light.
Well, it's